So in this particular course, Advanced Legal Drafting version 2.0, you'll receive notes, you'll receive video lecture on all the subject that has been mentioned, such as on criminal drafting, civil drafting, ADR, merger acquisition, and so on. There, criminal law. In this particular session, you'll also receive a video lecture on new criminal laws, right? So as to make it very clear and so as to make it user friendly, we have different batches of different course. Most of the courses is there in your advanced legal drafting itself, right? If you'll visit your app, you'll find it in video session and study material sessions. Now students have query that from where they should start. So, see, this is self-learning course, which means that, and there are lots of subjects. I understand that, it would be very hard for you if you start from merger acquisition, because obviously, if you haven't read company law or don't know the basic of it, merger acquisition will be tough on you. However, new criminal law, I mean, you know about this subject little or much, so you can start it from there. You can start it from CPC also. We are uploading one lecture on daily basis. We are updating the syllabus from CPC. That is good for you. That you are receiving all these information, all these video lecture, post material at the very affordable price of 800 rupees. Right. Now you might have problem in login to the app. You might have problem to how to visit the app. For that, I'm sharing this screen so that you may at least have the idea how to visit it. See, when you open your app, this particular screen must be visible to you, right? This particular screen must be visible to you. Now you have question that where to visit for to take the lectures or to see the videos. So you need to click here, batches, right? When you open your home screen, you'll find this option, batches. It's simple. You need to click here, and then you will see this plus sign, right? This plus sign. Can you see this plus sign in your screen? Blue dotted plus sign. You need to click over here, right? When you click over here, the screen will be visible to you, and then you need to enter your batch code. And after that, once we approve your course, the batch will be visible over the screen itself. So once you we approve your batch, the batch will be visible over here, right? And you can watch your videos, your course material, everything by clicking on this batch. It's very simple. Now there are different batches. One is of criminal law, other is of different courses, right? So tell me over chat box that whether or not you are able to access your batch. Tell me whether or not you are able to access your batch, your videos lecture, your course material, and everything like that. Yes. I'm reading these queries on your chat box, and then I'm what is clubbing of certificate? Do you need extra pay? No, we don't ask for any extra pay for any certificates. Whatever has been promised in your advertisement, you'll receive all the certificates once you have completed the course and complete the assignment. About assignment, we do share the assignment on the monthly basis, and we'll share the assignment in WhatsApp group only. Once you go through your assignments, obviously, and you'll submit your assignment, we'll grant you your certificates. See, RERA is different course, right? About RERA, we have taken live classes, and if you have registered in RERA and also registered advanced legal drafting. So about advanced legal drafting, we are taking here query on advanced legal drafting only. If you have any problem with RERA certificate or anything, there is a live course active over there, and by now we have sent certificate to everyone. You may drop me a WhatsApp over this number I'm sharing over chat box. Mention your course and payment screenshot, and thereafter we'll grant you certificate if you have submitted your assignment. Right? Queries of certificates will be taken over WhatsApp because everyone may have different, whether they have submitted the assignment or not, whether they have been through the course or not. So your query on certificate may be different than the other, right? This session is particularly about how you should start the course. So I have in the very beginning of my session, I have told you that how to access the app. Click on the badge and then click on the plus icon that you will see over there. Put your batch code that we have already shared over the mail and WhatsApp group. Once you put your batch code, it comes to our approval. Once we approve it, obviously you'll be able to see your batch in your batch option only. And once you are able to see your batch option, click on that. Go on the top of your screen, scroll to the right. You will be able to see the videos, and scroll a little further. You'll be able to see study materials. Go through the study materials, go through the videos lecture, and thereafter complete the assignment. Will grant you certificates. Now, from where to start? As I have already told you, that it completely depend upon you that what subject is of your interest, and which subject do you want to choose for a beginner who have just started their LLB or who have just completed their LLB, and those who want to start from the very basic. For them, we have given the option that you may either start with criminal law, you can start with some easy laws, ADR, or no, like that. ADR is not easy. Once you have been through your contract and CPC, then only able to understand ADR. So my suggestion for you would be that kindly uh, go through criminal law or whatever law you have already read in your academic, so that you may have a comparative analysis. So that's my suggestion, that start with the subject that you know a little, and then proceed with different subjects. We have uploaded a fresh video of criminal law in a different batch, which is new criminal law. We have also shared the detail of the same over your WhatsApp. You may go through the WhatsApp message, and obviously after this session also I'll be sharing the batch code of criminal law, right? So process is the same. Go on your app, click on the badge, click on the plus icon that you will see on right of your screen, right side of the screen, and then click on the enter your batch code, and it comes to our approval. Once we approve, you'll be able to see your batch over there. Click on a batch, then scroll to the right hand side from top of the screen. You'll be able to see video and study material. We will share assignment one assignment every month. You need to complete either of the assignment. You have to complete only one assignment. There'll be 10 questions asked in the assignment. Assignment will be based on the practical aspects. So obviously you have to do a drafting. Drafting, we have already shared the draft in your study material. So you may go through the drafts and you'll be able to learn about the drafting. Right. Once you have completed the assignment, we will grant you certificates. Can't see any material. Resma, as I'm saying now and now, click on your, open your app. Resma, are you there? Click on your, open your app, click on the badge, click on the plus icon, and then enter the badge code. Once you enter the badge code, we are there to approve. Once we approve, you'll be able to see your badge by clicking on the badge itself. Click on the badge, and thereafter, uh, scroll to the right hand side from top of your screen. You'll be able to see your videos lecture and your course materials. CPC lectures, we are updating. Kamakshi has asked that where CPC lectures. CPC lectures are there in, again, I'm sharing the screen. Now, CPC lectures. See, in your screen itself, when you will go on advanced legal drafting, see, I have admin access, so I have all the batch over here. You need to click on your batch, which is advanced legal drafting, and you need to go on video. Then this will appear before you. Here is CPC, right? Here is CPC. So CPC, on CPC we are updating one lecture per day. We may start from the lecture one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have updated till res judicata. Now there will be another lecture tomorrow, right? So for CPC, we are doing update on regular basis. Why? Because we have removed all the old lectures because they were outdated. We felt like updating it, and that is free of cost. There is no burden on you. So obviously, we are sharing the video on CPC on a daily basis. You may watch one video per day, or you may, if you are, this is the first day that you are getting to know, then you may cover all the 7 videos or as per your time, because one video is of 1 hour. It will take 7 hours of time. It will take 2 3 days to cover it, and thereafter you will able to see one video per day, and you'll able to see your videos over here only. Now about study material, you'll all obviously able to find your study material over there. Internship and placement session that we have taken, we have already uploaded over here. You may go through it, and drafting essentials, for that we have different videos on drafting essentials, lecture on practice and procedure, lecture on cases for drafting and AOR exam, drafting essential by senior advocate Manoj sir. So we have those video of drafting over here itself. Advocacy and professional ethics. For that we have another video. Right. So we have written over here. This is by senior advocate, and then law of evidence. We have uploaded 28 videos on law of evidence. You'll be able to find it here, right? From lecture 1 to 25. We have uploaded it over here. So obviously, when you go through these videos, you will able to learn not only the drafting but also particulars of the subject. IPR videos are here. Right? There's 17 videos on IPR. You may visit it one by one. We have uploaded lots of study materials as well. Study material, when you will click on a study material, this will appear before your screen. Now there are lots of study material and lots of drafts, like smart notes on contract drafting. If you click here, Entire material of contract drafting will appear before your screen. All you need, all you need to do is to go through these materials, and every concept will be crystal clear before you. See, these courses you won't be able to find it at 800 anywhere, right? Our whole idea is to make it uh, so much affordable that every advocate, every person can afford this course and may take this course, right? So kindly take that in mind that take maximum advantage of this course. Take maximum, because see, all of these materials are we have uploaded it on the portal, and it is there for you to, some of the materials are downloadable as well, so you may download it from here. However, not all of the material are downloadable. Why? Because we have seen a trend that what people are doing, that they're downloading this material, they are removing the you know this watermark sign, they're removing the logo of our institution, and they are making their own. So that is against the ethics as well, and that is against the copyright as well, right? So that we don't appreciate, which is why not all the materials are downloadable. However, you may visit most of it. You see, they are very exhaustive note, and this is not the detailed note that you will need 500 pages. We have made very detailed note in a very short manner. You see, terminology, clause, information of parties. I mean, these are the notes that we have done, and it's quite workable. You have filed notes of ADR as well, right? So go through these notes. Apart from the notes, we have also updated drafts, right? Let's say agreement. So if you click on agreement, you'll be able to see several drafts, right? Several drafts in front of you. Now let's say if you want to read partnership agreement, so click on partnership agreement, and that will be able you will be able to download it, or you'll be able to see in your screen. Now here is the partnership agreement, right? Here is the partnership agreement. Are you able to see partnership agreement? Now here you'll see this is the partnership agreement. All you need to do is to if you are making a partnership deed, you may write your name over here, dates over here, name of the parties, right? And according to the requirements of the drafts, you may make it your own. It is very simple. Once you give it a clear reading, it will become very simple before you to draft it. And these notes, we took 5-6 years to draft all of these drafts which we have shared in your screen, notes. So it is very exhaustive note, and you need to go through it. Then only you'll get an idea. Right. My suggestion is that at least go through go through these notes so that you may have the maximum advantage. Do you get it now? Everyone, do you get it now? How much time it will take to go through the videos? Now that depends upon your time, that how much time you are putting, right? Let's say if you're putting 3 hours a day, so there are approx 200 videos divided by that, right? If you're taking 10 hours a day, I mean, that depends upon how much time you are able to devote to this. Since see, you have access to 1 year, right? 1 year is a good time. So since you have access of 1 year, what you can do is that you may plan your journey accordingly. And let's say, and in this 1 year, we keep on updating lectures at free of cost, like CPC, we're doing it. not charging anything. We're doing it at free of cost, and no other institution do any updates at free of cost. Take my word on it. No institution makes any update on their courses at free of cost. We are doing it because we want you to learn and we want you to take maximum advantage of this course, to sign like ever, right? So and tell me honestly that can you able do you able to find these courses, these exhaustive notes, videos, lecture at 800 rupees? I know for sure that it's not available in the market. 1 year from your joining, right? Uh, see, we have seen the trend that 1 year or 2 year, there's change in the law, like company law, like merger acquisition, like competition law. There's always been regular change. In IPC, we have seen a major change. So after 1 year, you may need an update, and then after 1 year, you need to make a payment, extra payment. Let's say from the 2025, from the January 2025, this course which you are taking at 800 rupees will now be at 1000 rupees. So all you need to pay for update is 200 rupees only, which is again an affordable price to pay, right? So that is how it is. We are providing maximum, the maximum we can at the very bare minimum cost. Don't you agree with that? Is it understood? Everyone now, I hope that you can enjoy our lectures and you can have the maximum advantage of the course. Say yes or no. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Now, thank you. Now, if you have any specific query, you may, write at a direct message or message in the message box. If you have any query, you may ping us or write a message over here. We are there to solve. If you have any query, any further, you may write it over the chat box. Obviously, we'll share recording of these videos on your app itself. That will be under the folder of query session. Uh, so watch that video in case if you have any problem. And obviously, I believe that the session will be helpful and you'll be able to enjoy and take the maximum advantage of the course. Particular format for what? This is the format we have already shared in your app itself. So either you may take the help of that or you may make your own format also. Right. Formats of the assignment have already been shared in the app. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. There are videos about Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. They are in new criminal law batch. So about that, we have already said only we have said about batch code of new criminal law. So you will see in your WhatsApp itself that we have shared a message, and I for one sharing it again. So instead of sharing it over WhatsApp, because after that there is, yeah, yes, some person have joined, so we can share it. I have shared the message again for new criminal law. Process is the same. Download the app, go to your batch, and then go click on the batch, and then click on the plus icon that you will see on downside of your screen. Click on that. Put the batch code, which is ILW and WCL 24, and then it will come to our approval. Once we approve, you'll be able to see your batch. After some time, generally after 1 day, let's say after 1 day of putting the batch code, click on the batch again, and then you'll be able to see your batch over there on your batch itself. So click on your batch will be visible over there. Click on your on the icon that is visible, and then go to your videos, lecture, and study materials that you will be able to see. I believe that we have solved all the queries. If anyone have any query, they may ping or we'll drop the session. Kindly let me know, was this session helpful to you? Thank you, Resma. Thank you, Avilas. Thank you, Sudhakar. Thank you, Sabir. Thank you, Sayali. Thank you, Sifana. Uh, it would be great. See, our structure, entire structure is we are, professors itself. We are the group of professors. We have launched this portal, LW Institute. So our structure is not to make a profit. I mean, you can calculate it yourself that the course and the lectures which you are making is you're not doing it for profit. You're doing it for helping the students and helping ourselves in building greater platforms. Our only objective is that. So it would be great if you can share a review over LinkedIn about the course, about the session, and how it is helpful to you, right? Or you may share it with your friends. I'm sharing the link of the course over this portal. I'm sharing link of entire our courses. There is also a video. So I've shared the link before you. Right, you may go through this link, and there is also a video that how this course will be helpful, and how we are placing in internship session and placement sessions. That will be helpful to you, I'm sure. There is a video over this page. Go to that, and there are several courses. You may opt any of it. You may drop a message. If there is any particular discount, I'll obviously help you with that. I'll help you with that. And do share a word about this course, our initiative to help the students with your colleagues, because that is what we want. I mean, that is the only motive that we keep. That we are not yielding profit out of the course that we are launching, because I mean, we all are professors over here working in different universities. Only want a community, a strong community that may support each other in near future. Right. So obviously, to make it a more stronger, we are helping you out with the placement session and internship session as well. So if anyone is law students, they may drop me a message. I have already shared the number. And if you don't have to drop a message also, on a monthly basis, we do conduct a placement and internship session. So that is indeed helpful too. We have placed several students in different firms and with different advocates. So obviously we'll help you out with that also. All you need to do is to go through these lectures, complete the assignment, and get the certificate. Share it over your LinkedIn platforms. Share a word about our courses so that your colleagues may be get help from this sessions and from this course. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions or any queries, or your friends who are not in this meeting have any queries, We have recorded this session, and obviously we'll be uploading it over your app only. That will be, and we'll be sharing a recording of this session in your WhatsApp platform also. So obviously, I believe that this session will be helpful to you and your colleagues. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.